Hello, today we're going to be working on our assemblage project where we are trying to build our name in letters. Okay, so here's a couple examples right here with bin and art. And so I'm going to teach you how to do this using Google Drawing. Okay, so I have started a Google Drawing. And remember, you can always get this from your drive. If you go to your drive, you go to New, More, and Google Drawing, that's where your Google Drawings live. Okay, so I've started my Google Drawing, and today I want to show you about a great website. If everybody can open a new tab and go to Remove Background. Okay, this website removes the background from your images. So this website is available in the chat box during our class, and also it is in the resources on It's Learning. Remove.bg, remove background. You can just Google search it. You don't even have to have the link. Okay, so I'm going to be using this today, and we've already discussed in our lesson about everyday objects, what they are, and how you can use them in a different way to create art. So I've started to put some objects over on the side of my paper here, but let me show you how I get them without a background. So if I wanted to search a tool, let's say I want a paintbrush. So you just search and you go under images. And I'm thinking for the letter L that I would like a paintbrush. Let's see. Well, my problem is, okay, look at this. If I just take this paintbrush and if I right click and copy it and I go to my Google Doc and I paste it, well, it's got the whole white background behind it and I don't want that. I want to remove it. So let's go back to my paintbrush. I'm going to right click it and I'm going to save image as. Okay, brush. There we go. I've downloaded it. Now I can go to remove backgrounds. I can upload an image straight from my computer. Okay, so I've got my brush right here. Open. It brings it in, and in no time flat, boom, it's removed the background. Now you just have to click download. Easy peasy. So now when I go on my name doc, I want to get rid of this. I'll take my select arrow and just delete this. And I can either insert an image from my computer, and I've got the brush, and this one has the remove background preview. So boom, I can just pick that. So now I've got a brush here, or I can drag it and drop it onto the screen. So either way. Now remember, you can change the size of things. You can rotate it. So today, I'm going to start making my name. I'm going to go just for this demo for a shorter name. So my name is Elizabeth Godfrey, and I think I'm just going to do a nickname Liz just for the sake of time for the demo. So look, I've got an L. Perfect. And I've got this cute kitty cat. Maybe that's going to be my I. So it looks like I'm already out of space. I got to consider my space, make this a little bit smaller. L, I. Let's see, I got these little chords. I'll dot my I. And I need a Z. What object should I use for that? I like strawberry. I want to get a strawberry. Let's go to images. Let's see, this looks like a nice one. I'm going to save image as. Okay, single strawberry, I'm going to save it. I'm going to go to remove background. And I'm going to, okay, sometimes this is going to happen. Only JPEGs and PNGs are supported, so that's okay if it happens. I just have to pick a different strawberry. So that's happened to me several times. Not a problem. We just have to find one that is in the format. So sometimes I've had to try 3 or 4 times. Let's see if this one works. They usually, for the most part, have worked. All right, it's removed it. I can download it. And there's my strawberry. Now, maybe I want to make my letter Z out of several things. I want some, I'm going to go to edit, copy, edit, paste. And maybe I want a couple of them. I can use a shortcut. Okay. Maybe I'm going to use my orange slice. And it was a little out of focus. I don't love that, so I'll make it smaller. All right, copy, paste. Here I am doing the zigzag, part of the Z. And let's see, maybe I want a green bean. I need a single one, so I'll try single. Perfect. Oh, these are fun. Let me see if I can save this one, if this one will work. Go to my remove background. Just drag and drop. And download. Perfect. A little bit smaller so I'm not cut off the page. All right, L-I-Z. There we go. I can change my background color. It's a little dark for me. Let me choose another one. Go a little bit lighter. Will look better. Okay, now what I really like, I think the Z is probably the most interesting because it has the most variety, right? So it was more interesting. I think I'm going to reflect on my artwork and decide to make a change because I like the way that there's different things happening there. It makes it more interesting. So I'm going to take away this one and I'm going to try one more image. Let's see. Maybe I'll do a tool. Let's see. I'll look for another tool. I like, perfect, a wrench. Okay, save image. Save it. Go to my remove background. Just drag it in. Boom, it's so fast. And here I go back to my name doc. There. Looks a little bit more interesting to me. So, as you can see, I'm going to insert a text box. You don't have to do this, but I just want people to be able to see really well that this is an L, an I, and a Z for the students. There we go. And I can easily there we go. All right, so you can see what I was trying to do with L-I-Z. Okay, so as always, I can just download this and put this into It's Learning and turn it in. I hope you have a lot of fun making your name out of everyday objects.